We are pleased to show you 2012 Silverado 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, front license plate bracket, skid plate package, speed control, front wheel independent suspension. Inside you'll find Sirius satellite radio, security system, low tire pressure warning, power windows, tachometer, power steering, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, overhead console, panic alarm. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.